Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the incredible stories that shape our planet. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to have you joining me on this journey. Today, we're going to talk about a man who has inspired generations to care about and appreciate the natural world. Sir David Attenborough is a household name, synonymous with groundbreaking documentaries and a passion for the environment. But what makes him so special? Let's take a walk through the thoughts and reflections of those who have been inspired by his work. We've compiled a collection of stories from people whose lives have been touched by Sir David's dedication to nature. From musicians to politicians, conservationists to authors, they all share a common thread, a deep appreciation for the way Sir David has helped them see the world in a new light. As one contributor put it, David taught us to look below the surface, observe the detail, then question what we saw. This is exactly what we aim to do on Nature Walk, to encourage you to slow down, observe, and appreciate the beauty and complexity of the natural world. We'll hear from people like Helen Chersky, a physicist and oceanographer, who recalls Sir David's excitement about the science that a new research vessel would enable. We'll also hear from Mary Robinson, former President of Ireland, who shares her journey from enjoying Sir David's films with her family to becoming increasingly aware of the need for climate action. These stories, and many more like them, will take us on a journey through the impact of Sir David's work and the lessons we can learn from his legacy. So, let's take a step into the world of Nature Walk and explore the fascinating stories that await us. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we're exploring some truly remarkable stories from the natural world. In our first segment, we delved into the inspiring tale of how conservation efforts are making a difference in the lives of endangered species. Now, let's dive into our middle segment, where we'll be discussing a fascinating development in the world of wildlife conservation. Imagine a creature that has captivated human imagination with its unique appearance and extraordinary abilities. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican salamander, is one such animal. Native to the lakes of Mexico City, this charmingly cartoonish salamander has won hearts around the globe. But despite its popularity, the axolotl is critically endangered in the wild, with estimates suggesting that only 50 to 1,000 adults remain. However, researchers at the Autonomous University of Baja California have made a groundbreaking discovery that could change the fate of this iconic species. By tracking captive-bred axolotls released into restored wetlands in southern Mexico City, they found that these animals can not only survive but thrive in their new wild homes. The study, published in the scientific journal PLOS One, reveals that the 18 captive-bred axolotls, 9 male and 9 female, released across 2 aquatic locations in 2017 and 2018, were able to adapt remarkably well. According to lead researcher Alejandra Ramos. What we learned is, if we can reintroduce these axolotls that have been in captivity to the restored wetland, where the water conditions are ideal for the axolotls, they can survive. But what's truly remarkable about this story is that these axolotls didn't just survive, they flourished. The ones that were recaptured had gained weight, indicating that they were hunting, eating, and avoiding predators with ease. This is a significant breakthrough, as it suggests that captive-bred axolotls can regain their natural behaviors and thrive in the wild. The implications of this study are far-reaching. If axolotls can survive in both artificial and restored wetlands, it could help mitigate the damaging effects of habitat degradation and climate change. For Mexicans, the axolotl is not just a species, it's an integral part of their culture and history. As Alejandra Ramos so eloquently put it, for Mexicans, they're part of our culture, they're part of our history, and that makes them really special to us. As we continue to explore the natural world, stories like this remind us of the importance of conservation and the impact that human actions can have on the planet. The axolotl's remarkable ability to regenerate its own brain, heart, and lungs has also sparked interest among medical researchers who hope to unlock the secrets of these extraordinary creatures to help treat catastrophic injuries in humans. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk, as we venture into more exciting tales from the world of wildlife conservation and exploration. Welcome back to Nature Walk, as we conclude our journey through the fascinating realm of science and discovery. I'd like to share with you a compelling story that highlights the intricate connections between genetics, human health, and the natural world. Researchers have made a groundbreaking discovery, uncovering a rare genetic variation in the PTPPB gene that is associated with an increased risk of developing central serous chorioretinopathy, varicose veins, and glaucoma. This finding has significant implications for our understanding of the complex interplay between genetics and disease. The study, published in Nature Communications, reveals that individuals carrying this rare genetic variation are more likely to experience these conditions, which can have a profound impact on their quality of life. The researchers used advanced genomic and epidemiological analysis to identify the association, and their findings have the potential to inform the development of new treatments and therapies. As we explore the natural world, it's essential to recognize the intricate relationships between our genes, environment, and health. This discovery serves as a reminder that the human body is a complex ecosystem, influenced by a delicate balance of genetic and environmental factors. As we continue to venture into the uncharted territories of scientific discovery, we may uncover even more surprising connections between our genes, the natural world, and our well-being. The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey, and one that requires us to remain curious, open-minded, and passionate about exploring the intricacies of our world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.